Modern mirror designs often embrace minimalism, stripping away unnecessary embellishments to focus on clean lines and simple forms. This approach not only highlights the beauty of the mirror itself, but also allows it to blend seamlessly into various interior styles. The minimalist aesthetic can make spaces feel more open and airy, as these mirrors often reflect light and create the illusion of a larger area. Geometric shapes are a hallmark of contemporary design. Mirrors in unconventional forms, such as hexagons, triangles, or freeform designs, add visual intrigue and a modern flair to any room. Asymmetrical mirrors can serve as striking focal points, drawing the eye and sparking conversation. These designs challenge traditional notions of symmetry and balance, making them perfect for eclectic or avant-garde spaces. Frameless mirrors represent the epitome of modern sophistication. Without a frame, these mirrors offer a seamless look that enhances the perception of space. They can be used in various settings, from sleek bathrooms to minimalist living rooms, and their understated elegance allows them to blend with any decor. Edgeless designs, which feature polished edges, further enhance this sleek appearance. The incorporation of integrated lighting and mirror designs is a growing trend that adds both functionality and style. These mirrors often feature LED strips or backlighting that provide soft illumination, ideal for tasks like applying makeup or grooming. Beyond practicality, the lighting creates a warm ambience, making these mirrors a popular choice in bathrooms and dressing areas. Many modern mirrors transcend their functional purpose to become works of art. Designers are experimenting with creative frames and unique shapes that can transform a mirror into a statement piece. Whether it's a mirror framed with natural materials or one adorned with artistic motifs, these designs can elevate the aesthetic of a room, serving as both a functional item and a captivating decoration. In today's space-conscious world, multifunctional furniture is highly valued, and mirrors are no exception. Modern designs often incorporate additional features such as shelving or hooks, making them not just reflective surfaces but also practical organizational tools. These mirrors are particularly useful in smaller spaces, where maximizing utility is essential. With the rise of smart home technology, smart mirrors are becoming increasingly popular. These mirrors can display information like time, weather forecasts, and even news updates, all while reflecting your image. Some models also incorporate touchscreen capabilities, allowing users to interact with apps and control smart home devices. This blend of technology and design is perfect for the tech-savvy homeowner.